Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Yes Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here, and at the search bar type in yesbank.in and click on enter. After that, you will be redirected to official homepage of Yes Bank. Now at the top right corner you will find login button. Hover to it and select Yes Online and click on it. Now type in your login ID and password. After that, click on this button to log into your Yes Bank account. Also click on this link you have forgotten your login ID and click on this link to unlock your login ID and click on this link to reset your password. Also, you have forgotten your security question or answers, click on this link and click on this link to register to Yes Bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.